Hello everyone, I hope everyone is fine. Today we are going to discuss the topic factors of composite numbers. This is one of the important topics for competitive examinations. Usually we can find questions from this topic in SSC, CGL, CHSL, MTS, CPO and state PSC also. Under this topic we are going to discuss number of prime factors, odd factors and even factors, sum of these factors, even factors and odd factors, product of factors and number of co-primes. Before starting this topic, please like this video, share this video with your friends and subscribe to my channel so that you are going to receive more and more videos from competitive perspective. Let's start the topic. For understanding this topic, first of all, we should know what is factorization. Under this factorization, we find factors for a given number. For example, there is 120. Let's take 120. For this 120, we need to find factors. Based on these factors only, we can find number of factors or sum of these factors or product of these factors. So let us apply division method. We all know this division method and we learned this in school days. Let us apply this division method. 120. Let me take 2 as a divisor. Since it divides 120, we got 60 as coefficient. Again, I take 2 as a divisor. It can also divide 60 and 30 as coefficient I have got. Again, I can take 2 as a divisor and I have got 15 as coefficient. And 2 cannot divide this 15, so I have taken 3 as a divisor and I have got 5 as coefficient, and this 5 cannot be divided further. So these 3, 2, 3, 5, these are prime numbers. So we can write this 120 as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. It can also be written as 2 3 times 2 cube into 3 into 5. See, any number, it is in this form when we apply factorization, like n equal to a power p into b power q into c power r, etc. So just remember this. Okay, here if we compare our factors 120, then we have got a equal to 2, b equal to 3, c equal to 5, and p, since the 2 came for 3 times, p equal to 3, q 3 repeated only 1 time, and r 5 repeated only 1 time. So these are the values we have got finally. Okay, first of all, for attempting this factors problem, we need to find factors in this manner. Next, so to find prime factors, here we need to observe there are 2 types. One is unique prime factors and total number of prime factors. In this unique prime factors, we need to mention how many prime numbers are there as factors. Here we have got, in this example 120, we have got 3 prime numbers, that means 2, 3, 5. So answer is 3. 3 prime numbers are there as factors for this number. So number of unique prime factors means 3. Next, total number of prime factors. Okay, so to find this total number of prime factors, we need to add p plus q plus r. We have already found p value 3, q value 1 and r value 1. So finally we have got 5. 5 is the answer for this total number of prime factors. Next, total number of factors. For this, formula is p plus 1 into q plus 1 into r plus 1. See, we have already found p equal to 3 q equal to 1 and r equal to 1. When we substituted these values here, we have got 16 as answer. So to find this total number of factors, p plus 1 into q plus 1 into r plus 1. Please remember this. Next, to find total number of even factors, here we should not add 1 to the value of even power. I mean here p means, since here I have taken this p as the power of 2, so I am not adding 1 to this value of p. So total number of even factors equal to 3, that means 2 cube, right? So I don't add 1 and I directly took 3. And here for other values I have added 1, so 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 1, 3 into 2 into 2, that means 12 is the answer. Next, total number of odd factors. Here totally we should ignore 2, that means we should take only other powers, I mean other powers of prime numbers. For example, for 3 1 is a power, and for 5 1 is a power. So I have taken these values only. Since we are finding odd factors, we should not take 2 into consideration. So finally we have got 2 into 2 equal to 4 as the answer. If you observe here clearly, total number of factors equal to, okay, total number of factors equal to total number of even factors plus odd factors. Okay, so 12 is here and 4 is here. Okay, so if we know 2 of these 3 formulas, we can find third one. Next, how to find sum of factors. Here formula is sum of factors of a number equal to a power 0 plus a power 1 plus and so on a power p into b power 0 plus b power 1 plus and so on b power q into c power 0 plus c power 1 and so on c power r, etc. Okay, so when I read this formula, it might be a little bit confused. Let us apply this formula here in the example, then definitely you will understand. Here we have already found for 120 2 cube into 3 into 5. Okay, so to find sum of factors for 2 cube, we should write like 2 power 0 plus 2 power 1 plus 2 power 2 up to 2 power 3, just because maximum value is 2 cube. Next, for 3 power 0, maximum value is 3 power 1, so it stops here, 3 power 0 plus 3 power 1. For 5, maximum value is 1, so 5 power 0 plus 5 power 1. So beyond this we should not write. So when we calculate it, we have got 360 as the answer. Okay, to find sum of even factors, here we should not include the value of 2 power 0. Okay, so other values we can include. For example, in this example, sum of even factors 2 power 0 is not accepted, so only 2 power 1, 2 power 2 and up to 2 power 3. But for other values, odd values, we mention the same thing, 3 power 0 plus 3 power 1, 5 power 0 plus 5 power 1. So when we calculate it, we have got 336 is the answer. Next, for finding sum of odd factors, we should not include 2 values. So we should take only other prime numbers, odd prime numbers only. So for this, maximum value is 3 power 1. So I have included as 3 power 0 plus up to 3 power 1. Same thing here, 5 power 0 plus 5 power 1. Total value is 24. If you observe here also, total number of, sum of factors equal to sum of even factors plus sum of odd factors. Even factors value is 336. 336 plus odd factor value is 24. What is the value? 360. So even here also, if we know 2 formulae, then we can find the third one. Okay, I hope you have understood it. Let me repeat it here again. To find sum of factors, we need to take 2 power 0 plus 2 power 1 plus 2 power 2. Since the maximum power is 2 power 3, I have stopped here. For this 3 power 0 plus 3 power 1, and here 5 power 0 plus 5 power 1 I have taken, just because this is the maximum value we have got in this factorization method. Suppose if here it is 5 square, then I can take 5 power 0 plus 5 power 1 plus 5 power 2. Like this I can take. Next, sum of even factors. Here in sum of even factors, if 2 is a prime factor, then we should not include 2 power 0 here. That means we should include other values only, like 2 power 1 plus 2 power 2 plus 2 power 3. We should not include 2 power 0 here, and other values are same. And for finding sum of odd factors, we should not include 2 value. That means we can only add odd prime numbers, 3 power 0 plus 3 power 1 into 5 power 0 plus 5 power 1. Finally we have got 24. Maybe when I am teaching also you might be confused, but once you practice it 1 or 2 problems, definitely you will get understood. Next, for finding product of factors, formula is n power n by 2. Here capital N means given number and small n is total number of factors. For example, here we took 120 as the example. So when we apply this formula, 120 and 16 means it is a total number of factors we found, right? 16 by 2. So value is 120 power 8. This is the value for 120. So when we want to find product of factors. Next, number of coprimes. If you want to find coprimes, then formula is n into 1 minus 1 by a into 1 minus 1 by b into 1 minus 1 by c. Here powers don't come into place, only prime numbers factors. Okay, so number of coprimes for this example is 120 into 1 minus 1 by a value is 2, b value is 3 and c value is 5. So when you calculate, finally we get 32 as the answer. 32 is the answer for number of coprimes of 120. I hope you understood it. Next, let's do some practice. Here this question, sum of odd divisors of 216. Actually this question was asked in SSC CPO 2022. Okay, here divisors means it is nothing but factors. Let's do it. 216, first of all let us find factors. Here 216 means 2 108, right? Again when we apply 2, 54 is the coefficient. Again when we apply 2, 27. When we apply 3, 9 is the coefficient. When we apply 3, again 3. So we can write it as 216 equal to 2 cube into 3 cube. Okay, here to find the sum of all divisors, answer can be written as 2 power 0. No, since it is odd divisor we should not take 2 power. Okay, we should take only 3 factors, 3 power 0 plus 3 power 1 plus 3 power 2 plus 3 power 3. Okay, so 2 should not be taken even though it is a factor, just because we are finding odd factors, sum of odd factors. Okay, so here answer is 1 plus 3 plus 9 plus 27, 36 plus 4, 40 is the answer. Suppose if it is for even, then it can be calculated as 2 power 0 should not be taken, 2 power 1 plus 2 power 2 plus 2 power 3, just because it is a maximum power. And same thing here we have applied, right? So the value is 40. So here 2, 4, 8, 10, 14. This value is 14. So whole value is 560. Let us find out total sum of total factors. 2 power 0 plus 2 power 1 plus 2 power 2 plus 2 power 3 into same thing here I have applied 3 power 0 plus 3 power 1, 3 power 0 plus 3 power 1 plus 3 power 2 plus 3 power 3. So 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 8 15 into this value is 40. So to finally we have got 600. See, if you observe here 560 plus 40, sum is 600. We have got 600. Okay, next question is number of factors of 3600. This question was asked in SSC CGL Tier 2 in 2019 examination. Okay, first of all we need to find factors for this 3600. 3600. Okay, let us find out. 2 1800 2 900 2 450 2 225. Let me apply 5 45. Let me apply 5 9. Let me apply 3 3. So 3600 can be taken as 2 power 4 into 5 square into 3 square. 9 9 25 225 225 8 3600. Okay, sorry, 225 16s 3600. Okay, so total number of factors we need to find. What is the formula for total number of factors? Here total number of factors means total number of factors equal to here 4 plus 1 into, since it is p plus 1, q plus 1. Q plus 1 means 2 plus 1 and r plus 1 means 2 plus 1. Answer is 5 into 3 into 3. 5 3 is 15, 15 3 is 45. This is the answer. Let us find even factors also, okay, and odd factors also. For finding even factors, okay, here we are taking 4 just because 1 should not be included. 4 into 2 plus 1 3 into 2 plus 1 3. Value is 4 3 is 12, 12 3 is 36. Let's take odd. 2 factors should not be taken, so other value is 2 plus 1 3 into 2 plus 1 3, that means 9. So sum is 45. See, you have got it. Okay, like this we can do. Okay, so once you watch this video, practice for 2 to 3 problems, okay, so that you can master this topic. If you like this video, please like this and share this video with your friends and subscribe to my channel. But don't forget to mention, let me give you a problem. Okay, so here for this question, sum of total factors, sum of total factors, even factors and odd factors. Please find these 3 values and mention in the comment section. Okay, please find. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.